Here, oh, like this is really fair. Oh my! 1, 2, 3. Boy, that guy should be like Q.106, like his blood alcohol content. Next up will be the tree. That's James Hyman Jr. out of Sun Prairie. Oh, Sun Prairie. Leave the truck there. Or the Suburban. Oh, don't you dare hit one up. Okay. Nice job, Bryce. Okay, are we going to see one of the barrels hit tonight? Here comes the 3. Oh my, oh my. 1, 2, 3. Don't they see if these guys have been drinking? Next up is 78. 78, Jamie Durst out of Portage. Oh, Portage. Okay, here we go. There's a shot. Looks like a 7. Oh, yep, a 7 for Jamie Durst out of 7's the best so far, Jug. Oh, look at that. Oh, Jug scrubs off a little too much speed. Jug will have a 4. 28 heads down the alley. Here comes Pete. Oh, he's going with, Pete with a good shot. Hey! Pete with a strike puts him right up in contention. Theoretically, he's in the lead right now. And sets him loose. Here comes Bryce. All right. My head hits the pillow harder than that. Bryce? No. Yeah, we'll give him a 2 just because we're nice. How about a nice hand for Bryce? I'm not another one of those zeros. Okay. Who did I say is up next? James Hyman Jr. out of Sun Prairie. Here comes James. Trying to get off the schneid. Oh. That's a 3. So, next up is 78, Jamie Durst. Pete Bast is your leader with a 10. Jamie just needs 4 pins to overtake Pete Bast. I'm trying to make it as thrilling as possible. He is going to get a 6. A 6, and he'll finish with a 13. Earth the Jug. Well, it sounds like Jimmy's knocking at the trunk lid. Next up is the Mafia staff car. He needs, 1, 2, 3. Oh, he gets her fired up. Hoffa must be under the hood. Can hear him grinding him up. Here he comes. Hands up, everybody. Jug wants it bad. He's going to get a strike. Jug Her gets it done. Your final contestant, Jug Her, is the winner. Jamie Durst will finish second. How about that, folks?